Alright, maybe this will work. Receiving your content. Amazing. What does it say about the stream? It says live. Is it 4K? Oh my god, it is 4K. It's VP9, dude, that's crazy. Wow. Why doesn't it transcode the audio to Opus? And why doesn't it let me stream in a nice video codec? I wonder if they enable and disable the encoders for the different somethings. Alright, would this work if I go like this? Maybe. Oh, it's only available in 1440p on that. Oh, that's available in 4K. Wow, gamers. Wow, it actually looks okay. Just wait until I move the camera. Here we go. Moving the camera. It's gonna look awful when I move the camera. Cool to know that I can actually do this. I thought it was the encoder that was going nuts. What happened? What's different about this? Oh yeah, it's 30 FPS. What the hell? That doesn't look that bad. When I move the camera, it doesn't look that bad. Oh, the bit rate. That's too high. Oh, that's on the... It's recording locally as well, isn't it? Show me my task manager. Yeah, it's recording locally. Thread message queue blocking. 8 gigs of video stored. Well, this isn't exactly good for chatting because the stream delay is so high. But it is 4K. I'll give it that. Cool, I guess. What's the bitrate like? Okay, that's really weird. bad video settings. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being sent often enough, which will cause buffering. The current keyframe frequency is 9.3 seconds. That's probably why the quality is so good, is because it doesn't have to generate keyframes all the time. How long is stream delay? Yeah, so when you hear me say how long is stream delay, that's I answered you almost right away in the chat, right? But only now am I talking about it. You are hearing me in the past, or you're hearing me in the future. Yeah. So live streaming in 4K, not exactly a live experience. But it sure as hell is in 4K. That's for true. I can't believe how well it notes that the ingestion. What are you saying, bro? Ingestion. YouTube. I have a cough right now. I don't know why. I never get coughs. Look at this baller in third age. I've got about like half as much money as that in my inventory. Or no, I don't actually. That's a Grazie rapier. That's way more than I have. Ooh, Runeful Helm. Oh, hold on a minute. How does this work? If I see something if I see, okay, no, I don't know. I'm seeing two versions. So I can see the past. If I see items dropping on my real-time screen, I can look over on my stream on my other monitor to see who is dropping the items. That's fun. Yeah, I'm just doing this for fun because obviously you can tell that this is not exactly riveting gameplay here. Usually I just do this while I'm doing something else. It's not like RuneScape isn't a pay full attention and be engaged game. It's more of a play it while you're doing something else game, like progress your account. Oh man, why would they not accept other video codecs? Yeah, I'm just doing nothing and hanging out. I'm going to use the stream chat to type. You can probably hear me typing, eh? So yeah, when you hear me typing, I was typing out that message. So there's a huge stream delay. Oh my god, I got some gold bars. 2 GP off, yeah! Why don't I go do some crafting? Oh god, the mouse. Look at how small the mouse is. This is what 4K is like. See if you can see the mouse. Ooh, max cape. Okay, so you go straight into my bank. You go straight into my bank. Let's go over to the furnace over here. Here we go on the live stream. I'm watching myself move on the live stream. Wow, it doesn't look awful. That's surprising to me. I thought it would just look awful. Say cake when you see this. I'll try to count the delay. Yeah, this is more of a testing live stream than a live streaming live stream. I've wanted to live stream in 4K for so long. I thought that I was just lacking the internet speed, but from this it looked, oh, that looks kind of bad actually. It looks like the encoding speed is slow or something. Oh my god. 23 FPS? I don't know, bro. I don't have the things. Okay. Counted 46 seconds? Wow, I was exactly right. Or very close to being exactly right. Okay, gold bars right here and diamonds right here. How much are these logs? 200K? Bro, that's crazy. No, not all gold bar, bro. Withdraw X. 13. We're going to do some crafting. Yay, crafting. Running and crafting. The mouse speed isn't fast enough across the screen. I never really realized that. It's probably because I use a lower DPI scaling or high DPI scaling where I have 200% scaling. And that's probably why. So is this streaming in 10 megabits or is it streaming in 9 megabits? I think this is 9 megabits. All right, in you go. Oh, she come. Oh my god, I have to move the mouse so far. What you think is the last stream delay, the least stream delay you can get with any quality? With any quality, okay. On Mixer, the streaming site, you can get the sub 1 second delays with good encoding settings and encoding set up to use ultra low stream delay. You can get less than 1 second of stream delay, but obviously you're not going to be able to do it in 4K. It's going to be like a 720p stream, which is gross. Who the hell watches 720p, dude? That's gross. 4K or get out? It should be able to find 30 frames. I wonder why it's doing like 23 frames per second. So I'm using a really long keyframe latency. I don't have that set up properly. Cheese sub 1. I can't cheese it. Are you saying like try and use the wrong settings? It doesn't show up properly if I use the wrong settings. It won't show up in 4K. It'll just downscale it. So, God, it doesn't look that bad on stream. Like I'm looking at it on my second 4K monitor, and it doesn't look that bad. It's pretty cool. I'm enjoying this. I've always wanted to live stream in 4K. I never thought I would be able to do it. But here with FFmpeg, I'm streaming from a command line tool called FFmpeg. No, I can't put it on stream because it's window capturing RuneScape. But imagine Sub-Zero, the live stream, is actually in front of the streamer. Send yourself the lottery keys, the lottery numbers. Cheeses and G's, I see. Time travel, bro. So it looks like the encoder is doing spread out keyframes, and I should reduce the keyframes. If I can find the keyframe setting for FFmpeg and then change the numbers. I probably couldn't do it in the amount of time I need to, because I'm also recording it locally. I'll just let YouTube give it a longer stream delay than it needs to be. Yeah, that is low FPS on the stream. That's like movie frame rate. What you meant to in this game looks kind of chair. That's the whole point of the game, basically, is that you just relax while playing the game. It's just turn off your brain and play RuneScape. And most people watch movies and TV while playing this game because you can do both at the same time. Like, you couldn't do that while playing, I don't know, Minecraft. I mean, you could, but like, you wouldn't be playing Minecraft. You'd be watching movies. Whereas with RuneScape, you can watch movies and play RuneScape. What I'm doing is live streaming and playing RuneScape because that's what I am interested in, is encoding, live streaming, and all the things that come with that. So yeah, just pay attention to my voice. Don't pay attention to the gameplay. Or do pay attention to the gameplay. Ooh, I'm almost leveled up. We got 5,500 more XP to go in crafting. About to hit 86 crafting. So in this game there is skills. You level up your skills. Quests. You do quests. Mini games, and I guess that kind of generally describes it, and it makes it sound really boring. Yeah, you kind of got to be the right type of person if you want to play this game. If it looks boring to you, it probably will be boring. So yeah, but you can easily get addicted. I've been addicted to this game for, I guess, 15 years. I crave RuneScape. What's behind Krakow 10? It's a name I came up with when I was a kid. I was a creative child. I was able to come up with names. Like my first online account ever was on StarCraft 1 from 1998, or is it 95? I think it's 98. I spent about 3 seconds thinking of a name. I was like, what should my name be? I know, XXX Monkey Man XXX, and that was my name. It was just, that's it. That was it. Got a name. And Krakow, I just kind of made that up as well. That was my first RuneScape account, was Krakow 10. And I did not know that it was a city in Poland at the time. But yeah, Krakow is a city in Poland. but I would pronounce it Krakow. But that's not how you pronounce the city's name. Oh, Krakow. My my first RuneScape account, Krakow 10. I had a friend. Hold on. Hey, 86 crafting. What can I now do? Nothing. I unlocked nothing. Surf looked boring to me, but it's really fun. All my in real life friends say surf is absolutely trash because it looks boring. XXX Monkey Man XXX is a really good name. Change it back instead of Quaternions. Actually, you can find that account. That was my original Roblox account as well. I named it after my StarCraft account. I made the Quaternions account in 2014, I think. Or was it 2012? Hey, there's the crafting level on the live stream. Yeah, I should have... Should I? I don't know. I kind of like how I made a new account. I don't know. It was... I had a sort of little following on my Monkey Man account. I was a part of a community, and I sort of made the new account for basically no reason other than a name snipe. But I liked the name Quaternions so much that I basically switched over to using it as my main account. So Krakow 10 on RuneScape, my account, I had a friend called Matty Filth, and he lived in New York. And I was friends with him on RuneScape for a year or more. And suddenly one day, we were, I don't know how the situation came up, but he shared one of his accounts with me. And I was like, what? That would be funny if he used the same password on his main account as his alternate account that he gave me the password to. And then I tried it, and I was actually able to log into his main account. And I'm like, wow, that's kind of stupid. And then I logged out and logged into my account. And then like 5 seconds later, he logs in. And you're not allowed to log into an account from two places at once. It shows you when you try to log in, your account is already logged in. So I instantly knew that he knew that I had accessed his account. And then he accused me of stealing some items from him, which I didn't. And so I was like, no, bro. No, I didn't steal your items. Look, you can look on my account. The items aren't there. You gave me your password, I'll give you mine. And then he logs into my account and drops all my items, and I've never had access to the account since then. What a terrible friend. I'm friends with an admin on that group, on that account. Which, who? Which one of my friends is an admin? Is it Buddy? Julian? Who is it? Who's an admin? My most proud accomplishment back in the day on that account was getting into the Master Scripters group. That was great. Every once in a while, I join B-Hop on that account, and no one knows who it is. That's nice. Not having everyone say OMG right when I log in. Is it Brandon here? Is that the admin? It's me, Brandon here. Master scripter. Haha. Buddyism. He's just an intern. Yeah, he's I met him through Trey, Axis Angle, one of the Phantom Forces developers. Buddy was working on Phantom Forces back then, and I met him, and he really wanted to be my friend. He wanted to be everyone's friend. So I was like, I guess. I wasn't super popular Quaternions yet. I could probably intern at Roblox. That might be fun. I'm sure they would try to change my coding style. Oh, this is so nice. I wish I could live stream in 4K at 60 FPS and everything would be wonderful. I wonder if it's just the encoder or if it's the screen recorder, the screen grabbing, like why it's at 23 FPS. It's at 22 FPS now. It's about 30. Still got a stable 50. This game only goes up to 50 FPS. It's a British game. Pretty horrible, huh? I wish I could play it at 165 FPS. I was a very creative kid. Yeah, more creative than I am now. To think of anything now, I need a prompt or a question. If someone tries to get me to solve a problem, I am full force solving that problem, but I can't think of anything by myself. Like, create anything new. Like, I couldn't create a world like RuneScape or something. I couldn't think of any good ideas. I wouldn't be able to think of any good ideas is a better way of putting it. So in the game I'm making right now with XenoCloud, he comes up with all the good ideas mostly, and then all my ideas are derivatives or improvements on his ideas. I'm guessing you don't have a 4K monitor, so you're not getting the full 4K experience. It's not like it's Epic HD live stream. I mean, I guess it basically is, because, oh god, that encoding though. RuneScape is so easy to encode. The amount of color variations is so small, like it's so smoothly green everywhere that the encoder just has an easy time. I could never decide on a name on my Roblox account. I have 49 past names. That's a lot of past names. Do you spend money like 1,000 Robux every time you change it? I'm trying to think of ways to improve this. I wonder if just getting a new graphics card. I wonder if I do like hardware download or something, or hardware upload. I wonder how that works. I remember seeing a video filter thing. Maybe maybe I should try that and see what happens on the live stream when I do that. Did you have to refresh the page to get this to work, or was it like when I was streaming on and off and on and off, trying to test to find settings? I'll probably just do it later and do it unlisted stream to try and see if it works. Yeah, each name change is 1K Robux. Wow. My first ever online account was Adventure Quest Worlds. It was dead with some numbers. Oh, was on Adventure Quest Worlds. I was going to say that sounds more like a name of a game than a name of a username. Dead. What a name. So basically, everyone's green in this list because I am way higher level than them. You can see here I'm level 111. And they're all level like 60. With this game, you can pay to get membership, and then you have access to like more skills and more game. Like 90% of the game's content is in members, and once you get membership, there's basically no point in going back to free to play. But when I have membership, I play the game for like 14 hours a day, and I don't get any work done. So how you get membership is either by buying it on the website, or you can see here in my bank, this is an old school bond. I have 2 of them. People can work for like 40 hours in free to play just to get one of these. And I've got like one of these is worth about $4 million, and I've got like $46 million here. My bank is 170 million. Like, I'm loaded compared to these guys all around me. But I'm only here because I need to get work done in real life. And if I have membership on RuneScape, then I will just be playing RuneScape all day and not making games and developing B-Hop and Area 51. I would love to have membership on RuneScape, but you can only get it in 2-week chunks. So if I have anything that I need to get done within the next 2 weeks, I don't allow myself to get membership. Self-control. Well, basically, I don't let myself get it because I have no self-control. If I had self-control, I could have membership all the time and balance work and play, but I'm not good at that. Adventure Quest Worlds was a Flash game. RuneScape is a Java game. So it ran in the browser, but it wasn't Flash. It was Java. Oh, crack. I guess I could set up webcam overlay in FFmpeg. Where would I put it if I was going to put webcam overlay? It would probably take me like 5 minutes to write it in to the command line. I'm going to look up the hardware download FFmpeg command or video filter and see what it does. Ball of wool. Amazing. Hardware necessary to make use of hardware upload and hardware download filter instances to move frame data between hardware surfaces and normal memory. Or download. Hardware filters can be used in a filter graph like any other filter. Note, however, that they may not support any formats in common with software filters. In such cases, it may be necessary to make use of hardware upload and hardware download filter instances to move frame data between hardware surfaces and normal memory. Okay. So what you're saying is stop using YUV 420p because it has its own color space. Vidpau, Vapi, Dixvatu. I have no idea what I'm reading. I wasn't meaning RuneScape is a flash game. I was just saying Adventure Quest Worlds is a flash game. Legal says, hello, what game is that? This is RuneScape. How much USD is your RuneScape account worth? It'd probably be worth like 300 or 400 US dollars. But I've got a lot of hours in this account. I wouldn't sell it for $2,000. It's very dear to me. I did make this account in 2013. But that's when this old school version of the game was re-released. The company that made the game, this is basically how the game looked in 2007. After that, it got really bad, and they really handled everything very poorly. So when they came out with this old school version of the game in 2013, this is the most popular version of the game. There's also RuneScape 3. This is RuneScape 2. There's RuneScape 3, and that is less popular than RuneScape 2. RuneScape, old school RuneScape 07. This is the 2007 version of RuneScape with some changes. It's funny that the old version is better than the new version. They really handled their changes so poorly. So now, for any changes to happen in old school RuneScape, they have to pass a community poll to, you can see right there, it's a poll booth. So you have to vote yes for new content to be added to the game. And if people don't want the new content, it's not added to the game. So hopefully it'll stay stay old. No change! Ah! FFmpeg, hardware acceleration. Encoder wrappers are selected by... Oh, wrappers. Of course they're wrappers. Why didn't I think of them like that? Hardware Excel device. Uh-huh. It will still be decoded in software. Okay, let's read more on this page. Internal hardware Excel decoders are enabled via the hardware Excel option. The software decoder starts normally, but if it detects a stream which is decodable in hardware, then it will attempt to delegate all significant processing to that hardware. If the stream is not decodable in hardware, for example, it is an unsupported codec or profile, then it will be decoded in software automatically. If the hardware, that doesn't seem to happen for me. If the hardware requires a particular device to function or needs to distinguish between multiple devices, say if several graphics cards are available, then one can be selected using hardware Excel device. Cool. So I could potentially get like a GTX 1660 with the new hardware codecs, hardware acceleration that has oh, my voice, my throat, so dry. With the new hardware acceleration with better compression efficiency, it would make the stream look a little bit better. Honestly, it looks great though. And then also, I guess, see if I can do 60 FPS or something silly like that. Mm-hmm. I don't know. Do you think your old Roblox is better than... Do you think old Roblox is better than new Roblox? I think there was a point where that was true, but I no longer think that's true. I think that Roblox is getting better faster than it's getting worse. So in like 2013, maybe like 2015, Roblox was pretty bad. But now they finally have good stuff coming in, like the new constraints objects. Those are top notch. Those are awesome for controlling physics. I want more options. I want velocity targeting on angle things. Ooh, yellow bead. I wonder if someone's going to go around and pick that up. Oh, that guy picked it up. That was 1,000 GP. It was a yellow bead on the ground with 1,000 GP. I'm sitting here with 100 million GP in my bank. This guy, so poor that he can't afford... I mean, he can't afford armor. Like, everything in this free-to-play version is much cheaper. So he's doing well for himself, but it was worth it for him to pick up 1,000 GP on the ground. No one would pick that up if it was in a members world. I missed the build tool like in 2011. Yeah, there's no games that are just like that. I think, yeah, they're more game-like rather than Roblox-like, hey? What does my upload look like? Task manager. Ah, the buffer is full. I doubt it would make a difference if I made the buffer bigger. It would just use 12 gigabytes of my RAM rather than 8 gigabytes of my RAM. I wonder if the local recording is going at full frame rate and the stream recording is going at low frame rate. I wonder. Maybe setting the keyframe duration would make it better. Let me look up that FFmpeg option. FFmpeg keyframe duration, or keyframe interval is the proper term. How to change keyframe interval in FFmpeg. What the hell? Params keyint. No scene cut. G will define a GOP of 120 frames. This works. Never enter a value for no scene cut. Okay, bro. No scene cut will force keyframes to create per the GOP value that FFmpeg uses. The default is to create a frame where it detects a scene change. If you inspect an output file using media info without an option, we'll see scene cut equals 40. When done properly, that will be scene cut equals 0. This option is not used when keyframes. If this option is not used, then keyframes will be misaligned for average bitrate content and segment sizes will be unpredictable. So I guess I'll open a new command window. Command. Command prompt. Okay. So as you can see, I'm doing something else while playing RuneScape. Okay, video encoding, FFmpeg, input, H encoder equals H264 NVEnc. All right, show me. Oh, there it is. No scene cut. When look ahead is enabled, set this to 1 to disable adaptive iframe insertion at scene cuts. When look ahead. I guess it doesn't matter when there's no scene cuts and it's just live stream. Number of concurrent surfaces. What the H is that? Is that going to make the encoding faster and better if I make more surfaces? Probably more like it'll make it worse, honestly. Because it's probably has to do with tiling. Ooh, list GPUs. That's pretty cool. If forcing keyframes, force them as IDR frames. I have no idea what that means. 0 latency, no reordering delay. That's very cool. So that's probably a live streaming setting. Constant quantization parameter. B ref mode. Default is disabled. Wow, there's a lot of settings here. Do I need to mess with this? Closed captions? What the hell? Closed captions? VLC? Quebec. Default is default. What the hell? It should be Quebec, shouldn't it? Weighted prediction. Wow, I should totally like mess around with these settings. This is so cool. Yeah, so I should check out these settings and see which ones give better quality. Or I guess lower bit rate. Use like constant quality and see which ones give the lowest bit rate. That's I don't trust the GPU to make nice video like that. Profile preset. Rate control. Holy smokes. Override the preset rate control. So if I start with a preset and then do some settings, RC look ahead, number of frames to look ahead for rate control. I wonder, that probably goes up to like 25 or something. 2-pass encoding mode. Yeah. Delay frame output by the given number of frames? Why do you want that? Okay, I don't know. How to do this here. FFmpeg keyframe interval. Come on. Give me something useful. I'm almost out of gold bars here. What is the correct way to fix keyframes? God, I hate that wording. Oh, fix me up. I don't want to use x264 opts, boy. It's G, isn't it? G. In fact, FFmpeg document differentiates this and the G option. It doesn't really say how to use these two options, but G is going to require a fixed frame rate. So 4 seconds, if I'm doing 30 frames per second, is 120. So if I do G 120, then maybe it'll just kind of tell the encoder to do that. I don't know. I'm gonna look at their live chat. Oh, no new messages, eh? Does this guy have the G option in there? Yeah, it does. Look at that. So G is for keyframe interval. Who knew? Oh my god, YouTube live over Wi-Fi. No way, dude. Why can't you live stream in Matroska format, bro? You can't even live stream in MP4. Like, what the hell? So weird. .3GP MPEG 4 advanced streaming format ASF media playback is this page going to be useful? Doesn't look like it's going to be useful. So this stream has devolved into me reading FFmpeg documentation and looking up live stream formats. Oh, AVI. I didn't try that. What does AVI support? AVI supported codecs. Audio video interleave. That's pretty cool. Okay. AVI. What? AVI. Show me. VC1, yes. HEVC, yes. In AVI, damn, dude. Okay, do I have any more gold bars from the Grand Exchange? No, no gold bars. Should I go buy some? Wow, I have a lot of diamonds here. I'll go do alchemy on the way to the Grand Exchange. Alright, let's go. I can just walk there. Okay, so it says AVI supports HEVC. That's very interesting. I'm going to try that on on FFmpeg here. How can I try it? I guess I'll just I mean, it probably doesn't support freaking HDR, so I'll just find a video file. I guess I'll use one of my stream VODs, actually. That'll be easy enough, because I always encode those in HEVC. Except when I don't. I don't. No. It supports VP9 in AV1 or AVI. Wow, that's pretty neat. Work. Buy some more gold bars. Gold bar. We'll buy 1,000 for, yeah, sure. Easy. All the way back. And we can run a bit. I probably should have ran here and then walked back. Hi. Last time, do you remember me? Adam Games. I think you've joined quite a few times to the live stream, haven't you? Have you watched the new Spider-Man? I have. It's well good. Do you like old school rap or new school rap? I don't like any rap. Is this even you? You don't reply to me anymore? I'm Adam Games. Do you remember me? The stream delay on this live stream is like 45 seconds. It's a very long delay, so it's going to take a long time for you to hear my replies. And that's because it is a live stream in 4K, 2160p. I'm streaming in super high resolution, so YouTube takes a long time to process the video. And also, I have the video settings mucked up, so it adds like an extra 10 seconds of delay, reaching this ridiculous 45 seconds of delay. Alright, all my coins, all my nature runes, all my green D'Hib bodies. Let's do some more crafting. Alright, so I was going to try and find a HEVC file. Ooh, it automatically switched down. That's nice. Encoding. There might be something in here. Urgh. Maybe I'll just find like literally HEVC. Yeah, that'll work. What is this? This YUV 420p? Yes it is. TV main, okay. FF, input is, sure. And then C copy, AVI, HEVC test, dot AVI. Oh, no way, it just worked. Woo! I wonder if I can live stream in AVI. Oh my god! What audio formats does it support? Oh, I want to try. All right, bro. Oh, wow, big leg. Video support, audio format support. Please tell me I can live stream in AVI, bro. Bro, look at all this support. Okay, is it Opus? Opus? Support Opus? Yes! AVI supports Opus. FLAC! It supports FLAC! Oh my god, please tell me I can live stream in AVI. Okay, reading the live chat. Adam Games, yep. K, how do you have 3K subscribers? What is your tips? I didn't get it overnight, bro. I'm not trying to get subscribers either. I'm probably not the right person to get tips from. Basically, make a video game and then link your YouTube profile on your video game. Boom, 3,000 subscribers. My YouTube career is fully dependent on my Roblox career. It's not a career. I'm not trying to make money or anything off of YouTube. In fact, I have all of my ads disabled. Should I enable ads on my YouTube channel? Do you watch my videos and did you ever notice that the ads are disabled? It doesn't even matter, honestly, because I use copyrighted music so much that people will add ads onto my videos, so I can't. Yeah, bro, please tell me I can live stream in AVI. That would be a huge step up if I could do it in AVI, and then if I could use if I could use HEVC, bro, I would be so happy if I like discovered a secret YouTube live streaming setup that you can only get to from FFmpeg, and I use FFmpeg, bro, that'd be amazing. I kind of want to stop streaming and then start the stream up again with that set up. How long I've been streaming for now? Did you know John Doe played your game, and I think you should put ads on. John Doe did not play my game. A hacker by the name of Modded gave a ton of accounts the badge from my game, people who had never played the game before, just to show Roblox that he could give anyone any badge. So it was a flex. He was flexing on Roblox's bad security. Oh, I don't like putting on ads is so live dashboard. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Are you okay if I restart the live stream with some new settings? I want to see if I can live stream with AVI. I come from a land down under. I don't come from the land down under. I'm from Canada, dude. And by the way, when do you most likely stream? Oh, bro, I don't have a schedule. I just stream whatever the hell I want to. You're going to have to be subscribed with notifications to be able to catch my live streams. Yeah, my sleep schedule changes. My daily habits change. Yeah, there's no rhyme or reason to my live streams. Good luck catching me while I'm live streaming. 3D Earth, Hacker Man. Well, I remember that. Xeno tried to ban you, but I didn't have a ban system. This guy's killing the imp. Bro, what did it do to you? Just kidding, I do that all the time. Yes, but when are you going to stream again? I have no plans to stream again. I usually just stream when I want to. That's what I just said. You're probably saying when I stop the stream now. If I stop the stream now, I'm going to try to change the container format from FLV to AVI and start streaming again right away. See if I could do that. But you might have to like refresh the page, but or actually no, if it's a video link, you might have to like re-find the video. How do you even find this? Like, I mean, I could basically like post the new stream video in the live chat. That might work. I don't know. You might lose me. Yeah, YouTube doesn't have a very good system for live streams. Finding like stopping and starting live streams rapidly, it's not very good at that. KK, you ready? I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna set the keyframe interval to 4 seconds. I'm going to switch the container format to AVI. I'm going to test the stream to see if it can stream in AVI. Please, YouTube, please let me stream in AVI. And oh, LCPM. Oh my god, I could do FLV with lossless audio. Cool. Okay. And AVI also supports linear pulse code modulation.